Hello, I like playing the games in this New York Times Games app, so I'll give that a tap. And then the game that I'm going to show you how I play today is the game called Connections. So I'll give that a tap and tap on play. And in this game you get 16 words, 16 new words each day, and then you've got to find 4 groups of 4 words, and each of those groups will have some sort of a connection between those words. It can get a bit tricky because some of the words have 2 meanings, and sometimes you're just struggling to work out what the connection really is. So in that case, what I do is I go to the internet and I go to this website called connectionshint.online, and each day they give you the hints to help you solve the connections puzzle. First of all, there's a bit of an overview of that day, and then you've got the definitions of all 16 words as you scroll down. And also sometimes in the definition they'll give you a few little hints there as well, which can help you on the right track. And then once you got to here, which is probably this is the key, I suppose, to trying to solve it yourself, you've got the theme hints. So you've got 4 different themes: Go Big or Go Home, Chef's Toolkit, De Niro Classics, and Many Arms, No Arms. So the idea is that that's the group that you're going to look at for those ones. Sometimes they give you the words in there as well. And then if you're really stuck, then you can go down further and you can click to reveal the answers there for the day. But based on that, first of all, let's have a look at the Chef's Toolkit. So I'll go across in there and see if I can find 4 words that relates to a toolkit, or things that a chef would use, such as slice and dice. Oh, there's dice, yep. And cube and julienne. So give that a submit. And there we go. Use a kitchen knife to cube, dice, julienne, and slice. And we'll go back again. And I might do the De Niro Classics first. Bit of a Robert De Niro fan, so I'll go there, and his movies are Casino. Let's think about this. A Taxi Driver, of course. Joker, yep. And, there we go, Heat. Submit those, and there we go, got them. Robert De Niro films, Casino, Heat, Joker, and Taxi Driver. And now I've only got 8 left, and once you've got a couple out, it makes solving the last 8 quite straightforward. So I've got Go Big or Go Home, which is gambling, and Many Arms and No Arms. So let's have a look and see. Many Arms, No Arms. Octopus has got a lot of arms. Shiver, that's a many sort of arms statue. Venus de Milo has no arms, and the slot machine, the one-armed bandit is the slot machine. So give it a submit. That's when they used to have arms, but now they've got no arms. You just press the button like that and submit. There we go. Distinctive number of arms or lack thereof. And obviously doing the last one is pretty straightforward. That's to do with a casino or something. What was it called? Go Big or Go Home. Think about gambling and risks and things like that. So chance, bet, risk, and gamble, and submit. And there we go, put on the line. Back to puzzle. Bet, chance, gamble, and risk. And you can see there that if you look through there, then, well, dice, throwing dice is to do with gambling. There's casino there, which is gambling, slot machine as well, which is to do with gambling. So you can see there that often there'll be, once you realise it's to do with gambling, but you'll have other words that have a double meaning that could be part of gambling, or they could be part of another one of the groups of 4. Okay, so there we go. That's how I solve the connections game when I'm struggling to work out the connection. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.